Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the cover photo on your Bluesky account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Bluesky application on your device, and if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your email address or your username and your password. After logging in, you will end up within the home page. Now, if you wish to change the cover photo on your profile, just tap on the menu icon at the top left corner and then tap on Profile. This will then take you into your profile page. Go ahead and tap on the Edit Profile button, and now you will be able to edit your profile right away. Tap on the camera icon within your cover photo section, and now you can use your camera or upload a photo from your gallery. Choose either one of these options, and once you select your photo, you can edit its dimensions. After making your desired edit, tap on the tick mark at the top right corner, and now your cover photo will be added to your profile right away. You can change it in the future if you wish by tapping on the same camera icon. Once you are done editing your cover photo, tap on the Save button, and now your cover photo will be added to your profile right away, and it will also be visible to your followers. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add a cover photo onto your profile on Bluesky. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.